Brad Williams, XL Prime. Find the highest and lowest golf score by player. How are we going to do this? Very simple. If. Well, you know the if statement. It's straightforward. But we're going to wrap the if within the max. Well, because we're trying to find the highest. We're also going to look for the lowest. We're going to use the max and the min. No, there's nothing difficult here. You're going to need to make sure you identify your golfer. Golfer, F5. Okay, so we have to identify the golfer and then golf score. What are we doing with if? It's either true or not. Go in here, logical test, value of true. Value of false is optional. Max just returns the largest number. We're looking at our golf score. Golfer 234. Name range, golfer 234, it represents B and the golf score. You know, golfer, golf score. Easy, yeah? And then min. Min just covers the min and the layout's the exact same thing. On your right is your, you know, if you need it, read it. We just have our anatomy. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.